News story writing clues. A bus accident happened in Sitawan. 25 passengers returning from a picnic. Bus lost control. Fell into a river. Rescued operation. Injured taken to hospital. Police investigation causes. Now we are writing answer. News story. In exam, you will get clues, and according to clues, you have to write news story. So I have write clues. Now writing answer. News story. 25 injured in a bus accident in Chittagong. In a tragic accident, a bus carry 25 passengers met with an accident in Chittagong. Yesterday, the passengers were returning from a picnic when the bus suddenly lost control and fell into a nearby river. Locals quickly informed the authority and a rescue operation was launched immediately. Next paragraph. All the injured passengers were rescued to the nearby hospital for treatment, and their condition is being closely monitored. Police have started an investigation to find the cause of the accident. The community has expressed shock and concern over the incident, urging drivers to be extra careful, especially during group trips. Thanks for watching.